Ice, go. Her and her friends want liquor, I left and came back with 4 arms like Reddit. Check up on all my exes. Big body up in Texas, all white body, but it's not a Lexus. My cup look a little reddish. Purple inside a yellow Fanta, now it's like Cameron Reddish. She told me she's not that flexible, neither's my schedule, we still gon' check it. I treat the money like messages, keeping it blue like I still ain't read it. Crosses on my glasses, fuck all the ops, we fastest, make them past tense. Bitches treat me just like Fat Farm, my name on all they asses. Nigga flexes.